I'm going to show you how to assemble the Catchy for the Stokke Tripp Trapp. So you've got the instructions on the bottom and you've got the logo on the top. Simply place it on a flat surface and take the tabs and insert them from the back. Trap Catchy should look with the logo on the inside of the tray, the instructions on the back, and all the tabs. You should see the triangles on the inside. So this is the Stokke Tripp Trapp. I've removed the backrest and the black bar. And I'll take the Stokke Tripp Trapp Catchy and just simply slide it over and all the way down onto the footrest. Next thing, I'll take the black bar, so just checking that the Catchy logo is at the back, the instructions are underneath that you can't see them, and the next thing is just take your Allen key and tighten all the screws up and you're good to go.